Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to link phone test reports to your account. I've already showed you in the previous videos that if you open up the camera on the device you're testing and you scan the QR code of your account, it will automatically be linked. If you don't do that, but you go to Save and Share Report right here and you click on the scanner, then you can also scan the QR code. But there's a even better way to do this, especially if you always do the cosmetic rating, because we can link your account, your phone to your account. So if on the phone, on your phone, not the phone you're testing, but on your phone, you click on the logo to access the secret menu and you click link account. And now if you scan the QR code of your account, again, it's going to confirm to link it. And now this phone is linked to your account. And that means that all the phones that you grade with this phone, and then you do that by clicking this little thing in the scanner, and then it says, okay, this is start scan the QR to start recording, and here at the top you see that it's linked. So all the devices that you're now going to grade cosmetically with your phone will automatically be linked to your account. Okay, so make sure you just quickly link your phone with your account, and you don't have to worry anymore about linking individual devices to your account. See you on the flip side.